Hey everyone, this is Peter at Kriete Truck Center, Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. Today we have another non-CDL box truck, a 2011 Ford F750, 55,000 miles, Cummins ISB 6.7 liter, Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. The lift gate is in pristine condition, well maintained. Again, this is a non-CDL box truck. It's under 26,000 pound GVW. Come out to Kriete Truck Center, take a look at this and lots of other non-CDL box trucks like this. We do have financing available. You can reach me at 920-934-0867. 920-934-0867. Have a good day.